No, no, it's cool. My boy, he'll put a good tune on it and all that, so we'll get it done.
Oh, you just connect that
The fuel pump, I got it. I hear it is on.
Yeah.
Oh, I took the pump off, that's why.
No, I shut it off too.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I didn't want it to run too long.
Yeah.
I mean, well, it cut right on, so I mean, that's good. I like it, man. Yeah, the wiring, that's going to come off, though.
Yeah, put a bit of harness.
And then the fuel pump, the fuel filter, that's going to come off, too. Yeah, I use that same one. I just put it in the rear.
Yeah. Just so I kind of want to double check everything he did, that everything we need to do it, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, it's nice, though, man. I like it a lot.
Yeah, man, I love my car because I want to drive it every day. I prefer to drive this than anything I got.
How long it's been like this? Like sitting here?
Maybe 4 months.
Oh, okay, that's not that bad.
Not that bad, yeah. You know, you see I had no cooling.
Yeah, the hose is not hooked up or anything like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is my dream car right here, man.
Yeah, I like it. Every time I check it out, you know, people love it.
Well, people look at them all day, man. Yeah, they'll try to, oh, how much would you sell it for? I won't sell it, kind of thing, yeah.
Yeah, I told them it's not for sale no matter what you offer.
Right. Yeah, this thing is, oh, he even got a black headliner. Triple black.
Yeah. When I got it was black and gold.
Yeah. How soon do you want to get started on it?
You say you get it done, you take it right now. You know.
It won't take too long to get it done, though. Oh, he don't even have anything connect. Hold on, do that? Oh, I see what he did. Yeah, I run A and fittings for my trans lines.
I can tell you, man, anything you need to change,
yeah,
I'm gonna tell you no. I want my car right.
Nah, it'll be right. It'll be cool.
And, you know, I don't need a show car either. You know, it's just something I could drive every day. That's.
Are these mounted up in there?
Later on, if I need to pick it up, I know we can do it. Huh?